How to remove reposts on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the new Instagram repost button. So if you've been accidentally reposting stuff, or you just want to stop people from resharing your content, follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to delete an accidental repost. If you reposted something by mistake, here's the quickest way to remove it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Look for the Repost section, which appears right below your bio. You'll see a list of everything you've reposted. Tap the post you want to remove, hit the Repost button again, and just like that, it disappears. Another option is to open the reposted post, tap on your profile icon, then choose Delete. The result is the same. The repost is gone. If you don't see the Repost section, no problem. Just go to your profile and tap the three lines menu in the top right corner. Go to your activity, then choose Reposts. Here, you'll find every post you've reshared. Long press on the one you want to remove, select it, and then tap Delete at the bottom of your screen, and it'll disappear from your profile. Now, if you want to stop people from reposting your content, here's how to turn that off. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down until you see the section called How Others Can Interact with You. From there, tap on Sharing and Reuse. Under the part that says Allow people to share your content, you'll see the option called Reposts on Posts and Reels. Simply toggle that switch off. Once that's switched off, no one can repost your content without your permission. And finally, a quick note. A lot of people ask if you can remove the repost button on other people's posts to avoid clicking it by mistake. Unfortunately, you can't. That button is controlled by the creator. If it's there, it means they've allowed reposting. The best thing you can do is just use the steps I showed you to delete any accidental reposts fast, and that's it. Now you know how to delete reposts, stop others from resharing your posts, and handle the new Instagram repost button.